Ah, fantastic. We're back. I have some water, so get started. Okay, guys. So, plan right now is to do exactly what we just did, but with selling. And then I actually really need to think about what features to add from here on. I guess the required thing is a good one. I might do that tonight. Just to say to calculate the required amount of, it will say what's available and what's required, give a full rundown of all that stuff. I wish there was a better way to format Twitch messages, you know. I guess there probably is, but the thing is it's not responsive. I don't know if it's possible to, I don't know if there's a default window for Twitch so we can just use that as the thing. It looks like, you know, if you make chat and stuff smaller, it actually looks the same. Yeah, it's pretty consistent actually. So there's a consistent Twitch chat. So I should actually try and develop around that. See if I can format messages to work nicely like that, you know. I'll do some research and seeing how to best format those. Because that would probably be a good step for tomorrow or another day to make these you know, actual bot messages more so it's easier to read. Because these screens are generally a specific width. And I'm testing here where the width can change, etc. But point is, most people have Twitch chat working on a specific width where it is just set. So we want I don't know, we maybe want to practice that a bit, you know, trying to get that perfect width. I might end up doing that off camera. Just because this isn't gonna do justice. Right. Then what was I gonna say? Because this is definitely way wider than the screen you guys see. So you know, looking at the side that it's different. Okay, anyways, doesn't matter. Let's do the sell order. So buying works, that's great. Selling, what did we do today? So we did the not enough funds to buy. So we want to do a not enough. Oh, I can see trades are happening on my phone. They're just going off. All my little Luno trades, they're just happening. They trade executed. So our Bitcoin just sold. It's slightly higher. Maybe we should consider buying more Bitcoin. See, and I want to make a bot that monitors and prints this, you see, that we just saw now. I want to also do that. To do print print alerts whenever something is sold, bought. So there we make a sell order and a buy order. So this is normal, but whenever we do that, we automatically create that sell order, and I want to basically monitor for that sell order. I've got to look at how we can do that. I don't know if there's an order ID associated with it, or if I just say, hey, listen for trades that happen. I need to know if maybe I'm just monitoring any trades that happen at a specific price, and we say, okay, cool, and we say, you know, the amount that adds up to, I don't know. I need to look into that a bit more. We'll figure that out. We'll think about it a bit more off camera. Right, but for right now, enough funds to buy Bitcoin. That's good. So we want to say in the selling area. That's buying. Okay. Down in the selling department, before making the order, we want to say if, because we're trying to sell, if min BTC volume is bigger or equal to this dot available dot BTC. So if the minimum Bitcoin, well, let's just say, yeah, then we want to do something and hop out. Then we want to say what we said at the not enough funds to buy. We'll say, oh, why is my scroll automatically scrolling for me? It's so annoying. Okay, not enough funds to sell ETH available. We want to say literally just ETH. The buy price is going to be the minimum ETH volume. I mean BTC. Why am I saying ETH? Okay, everything where it says ETH here, I need to change to BTC. Okay, that's pretty easy. So now if I go to down to the east side here, yeah. The ETH side. Pretty cool. Everywhere it says Bitcoin, I'll just change it to ETH. Quite messy, lots of copy pasting through. But yeah, now we should be able to test this. Restarting the bot. The bot's online. Let's just see what's available. So I want to sell all my Bitcoin. So I say sell BTC. Okay, and successfully create buy order. Okay, that's a problem. See, we want to say what's available balances now. Which shouldn't be too much of a mission. I think that's literally a copy paste. Yeah. So where it says successfully created sell order. This successfully create. There, created. Can we chuck this in here? And we'll chuck this in here. Sorry, my headphones are moaning at me for being low on battery because they suck. They advertise like 20-hour battery life, but it's like 20 minutes. Right. So anything I can complain about with these headphones, really. Okay. Let's restart the bot again. I don't know if we did, but just in case we didn't, we need to restart it every time. I want to sell BTC. Successfully sold BTC. Available balances. We have enough to sell one more BTC. Oh, do we? What did we have before? Oh, we don't have enough to sell one more BTC, do we? Yeah, we do. We can sell one more. No, we can't. Oh, that available balances. I need to do the wait. See, this is what that wait is for, guys. Wait the balances interval after the post order. So this needs to, we need to wait for that API call to actually happen. So yeah, that's the thing. I'm sure there's a more effective way. Like I could specifically wait until, like, you know, like listen for until that sensor goes off, but this 5 seconds is safe enough, you know, before we print it, because then we know that we've covered every edge case. So I can't sell BTC anymore, but we can see our available balances there. We can definitely sell some ETH. Let's sell ETH. successfully sold ETH. That's what's available now. Sell some more ETH. This available balance is bullcrap, isn't working. I do available. How come I have so much ETH? Or is it just selling and buying back instantly? Oh, it's because I have a huge amount of available ETH. Okay, I know why a lot of it's being bought back. It's not being bought back, it's just, yeah. Wait. Did I forget to restart the bots? Is that the problem? My weights here are not working very well. Because I can expect some differences here. Like, it's okay to have some differences, but they should generally, like, you know, that was my available ETH balance. It should go down now. It should go down to 0.6. Okay, we sold one. It went down to 0.5. That's probably correct. Should go down to 0.4 now. Yeah, that's good. I want to see what happens when you run out of Ethereum. Okay, I have a lot of Ethereum elsewhere, so we're just gonna keep selling our Ethereum until we run out. I want to see if it warns me that I don't have enough. Not enough funds to sell ETH. Oh, look. It even told me I don't have enough funds. So the buy orders created thing is all the thing there. Yeah, I have a problem now. Like, I don't know how far I want to go into this hole of, like, you know, trying to trying to do things. So with required, I'm gonna need to make a get required command. Could be a void as well. The typical if no channel, then return. I don't know. That's fine. So we do the check. There's no channel, etc. There's no channel, and something's definitely horrendously wrong. Now we want to get required BTC to sell. Get required BTC to buy, ETH to sell. And then get required USDC to buy BTC and ETH. Okay. So sort of like from the end backwards. In the end we want we'll say BTC required to sell BTC. Oh. There's so many ways this can go. I'm just thinking, like, you know, do I really want to call like required? I should just type in like slash BTC. Like if I do BTC ETH USDC or USD, say available, and then required to buy like Bitcoin, required to sell, etc. Oh, it's complicated. Complicated AF. I need to take the music off so I can think about it. Ugh. Like my mind's trying to like split two ways of thinking how to do this. I can either carry on with doing what I'm doing here. Like I can say just the required thing, or I can say instead of doing this get required command, I can just do get currency status. And then in here we say asset, which could be asset could be BTC or Ethereum or USDC. Yeah. And then we just say like, listen, if it is BTC, do the switch asset, I guess. I don't know. They might end up changing, you know. That's the other thing. I might be able to later on build BTC for something else. So I'll say get BTC status, get ETH status, and get USDC status. I think that's gonna work. So what we're gonna say, no, we'll do something like this. We're just gonna print like specific details. So the BTC status, BTC balance will be this dot balance dot. Don't need to get funds results. Say this dot balance dot BTC. BTC available. That's basically gonna be what's reserved versus the balance. This dot available dot BTC, and then BTC required to sell. Gonna be pretty much min BTC volume. There we go. And then I'm gonna say also USDC required to buy. That would probably make the most sense, because then we can say USDC required to buy, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum as well for the BTC status, you know. That would be pretty cool. So they're required to buy. That's going to be calculated down here. The buy price. Wait. I wonder if I should put a util called calculate buy price. Because now we're just going crazy. So, sorry, I can put my tunes back on. Now I can hear what you guys hear. Say get buy price. Export function, get buy price. Yeah, what parameters am I gonna need for that? So I'm gonna need the ask price. I'm probably gonna need to say get BTC buy price. Okay, get BTC buy price, because we're gonna use this more than once now. And we're gonna say the ask price, the number, and then that's all really. because this is a constant, so we use it everywhere. And that's gonna return a string, right? I don't freaking know. Ugh. Okay. Well. Let's get BTC buy price. We'll figure it out. We use this anywhere else? Yeah. Get BTC buy price, and that's just gonna be ask. You convert that ask to a number. You know what? Let's just keep it like that. We'll convert ask to a string in here. String, because we turn it to a number in here, so it's fine. Okay. So yeah, we get the BTC buy price. That's fantastic. Because we're gonna reuse that here, and we'll just say const ask equals this dot BTC. This dot prices dot BTC. What am I doing? Dot ask. And then we'll say if ask. Then we will say, yeah, what are we gonna say? I guess we'll just do the if ask over here, side here. I'll say if ask and then we'll do a little thing in here. We'll say get BTC buy price. We'll say ask, because ask is potentially undefined. Okay, that's good. I think that's fine. So let's test it. That works, and we'll carry on and building it out for the other currencies that we're looking at. This is sick. So yeah, that's the plan. We'll go to the main commands and we'll say if case BTC, we'll return Luno API dot get BTC status. Okay, let's restart the bot. Okay, BTC. I went too quickly with that. BTC balance. Very little. BTC available. Even less. BTC required to sell. I think we should put like a not enough in there if it's not enough, you know. USDC required to buy. Yeah, I think I just do need like a full status thing here, right? Because we give the balances. Hmm. Ah, it's so confusing, guys. I need to think about this because we could just keep going on and on and on forever, right? Like, honestly, we could just never stop. But why would we do that, you know? Like, the more I think of it now, we could just have I don't know, sort of like, we could ditch the whole, like, balances idea and just give, like, a full-on, like, status. Or maybe the balances are nice because you can see just the balance. Luno balances. Those are balances. Those are nice and simple and like available. And then we can have like a see, this is what I meant, like this required to sell BTC required to sell, then we have ETH required to sell, and then we should just have a USDC required to buy. Yeah, I do need a required. But this is also a good idea to have this like status thing, you know? So to just have a fat status thing. We'll say status. And just say get status. Move this down. Yeah. And then Luno API, I'm going to call this get status. And the BTC ask. What we should do here is just have this and put this at the end. Okay, so that's good. We have that Luno available balances. Fantastic, it works. Quite happy with this. Now, we'll say USD. We'll move this USDC thing required to buy at the end. You know? We'll say this to buy BTC. And now next up, we'll say ETH balance. This dot balance dot ETH. Ethereum. And then after that, we're gonna say ETH available. Gonna get complicated, but this dot available dot ETH. Later on, we're gonna build like a nice UI for this where it's easier, but this is just a nice quick chat functionality, you know. Also, we're building tooling so that we can build on top of this, which is also quite nice. We got the ETH going there, which is great. Available ETH. And then we want to say ETH required to sell. That's pretty easy. We just use the min ETH volume, the constant that we already have. Okay, next up, we need the USD, available USD, right? USDC balance. Based out. And this will be USDC, and we're just gonna say this dot balance dot USDC. Great. After that, the USDC available. Pretty chill. I hope this all fits. Holy crap! What if this doesn't fit? That would suck. USDC available, it's gonna be this dot available, right? USDC. Feeling better about this now. But I would like to make a required function as well. Just so it shows you what you have required. And the required function can say stuff like not enough, and things like that. We can add a calculation in there based on what we have, you know? Right. USDC available. That's great. Got distracted. And now we're gonna do the whole now we'll do the USD required to buy Bitcoin. And we'll do another one as well. The ETH ask. ETH ask is going to be the ETH to USDC. Yeah, but now instead of this Bitcoin buy price, we need to get the one for the ETH price. What the flip? Something's missing. Gosh, that's not right. Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. This is correct. This little point over here is not correct. There we go. Okay, so we need to get a get ETH buy price. So where's the get BTC buy price? Okay, there should be a buy price down here. This is going to be get ETH buy price. Go to utils. Port function. Get ETH buy price. Ask string. Give me back a number. And we want to return this. An ETH volume, we can fetch that. Yeah, fantastic. Well, let's get ETH buy price. Get ETH buy price. Fantastic. And we'll put an ask in there. Fantastic. Yeah, that means we don't need this these anymore. We're gonna add a get required. It'll be a void. We'll also say if no channel. Then we want to get out of here. We'll focus on the rest of that in a second. I just want to test this bot now. The get status, right? Because that gives us a nice full like status of what's going on with our balances. The status. Okay, there's a lot of stuff to digest there, but maybe we can work it out to be a bit nicer on our UI. But it looks like it fits. I forgot to add the USDC here. Not there. Go over here. And it needs to go there. But that's good. USDC required to buy BTC. I need... that needs to be ETH. So those values change based on what the current asking price is. Because the constant is actually the volume, not the value. So it becomes harder and harder to actually buy Ethereum. You can't just buy less. Yeah. But already, you know, these extra little trades coming in, which is great. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, let's start this again. Get our status going. Exciting. Very exciting indeed. Where's Shanks when you need him? He's not starting early today like he usually does. Any of my viewers watching him right now? Or waiting for him? Okay, this is gonna, like, this will get cleaner. Or it'll get cleaner in your chat eventually. We'll probably focus on formatting, like, you know, Twitch chat messages and you know, really tweak it around quite a bit. Like, yeah, I don't know, the status thing. We could do status and say like a bunch of emotes and stuff. And yeah, I don't know. I don't freaking know. Because it also depends on the user who's sending the message. Like my user has like a length and all that stuff. Like I don't know if Twitch chat formatting and stuff. I need to look into it. Maybe there's like ways to format new lines on Twitch and stuff. Or maybe I just, you know, look at my, like, assume that my bot's always gonna have two like, you know, badges next to his name. I don't know. To figure that stuff out. Probably have to make a constant for that. Cool. So theoretically, that's good. Oh, what's this undefined? USDC available. This not available. Why is my USDC available undefined? If I say this, like, available, I mean, that gets it. Status. Oh, that's weird. Undefined USDC. Has to be caps. I'm an idiot. Casing matters. Yeah, that shouldn't be undefined. Yeah, I think if I can get them all on one line, that would be easier to read. Maybe I should focus on that now. So I wonder if I do some like status dot 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 dot, and then like let's try, since freaking Shanks isn't here yet. I'm writing on my other laptop. The status like that. If I do a status. If I do some classics there. I have my emotes. So I'm just getting that. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. My laptop is annoying me. So, guys, I'm gonna type it in here quickly. Copy that. Say status. See, that's too much. I'm practicing my, well, I'm not practicing anything. I'll say classic like that. Does this make a difference if I put 2 spaces in there? No, it doesn't. So I've got to do this. This space status. Trying to get this like perfect, guys. I'm trying to get this absolutely perfect. I'm just typing in the side there, as you can see. Test. Yes. Okay, that works. So if we do that, like, you can't see it on this screen, but essentially, like, that works correctly. It looks proper on my screen. So let's get that as a start. So the starting thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do dash dash, and then what is the thing? Tipsy P for legend. That, then we'll say status, then we'll do tipsy P for legend, that, and that actually works. That shows the BTC balance on a new screen. You can't see it over here on like the stream, but you can see it like, you can't see it in the stream window, but you can see it on Twitch. It looks correct there, which is really cool. So that's got me pretty happy. Let's restart the bot, and then we can see it, because maybe I don't know, maybe all the other stuff will just fit, you know. The status, that works. Okay, then we have the BTC, and then we've got to worry about the available part. So I'm just going to tweak this until I get it right, pretty much. Let's hope that that's enough. Let's hope that like that gives me some new lines. And at least we have like one thing where like things are nicely aligned. I'll show it on the main camera in a second. Status. Oh, that actually worked. That actually worked. I'm gonna just use the same thing in all of these spots. Yeah, I'm gonna use that in every spot, and then we're gonna see where it doesn't work out. Because it's actually working, and even in this main screen here, it's easier to see what's available and stuff. But I forgot to start the bot again. That would help. Damn. Okay, cool. The trading bot's up. The type in status. Okay, so the required to sell, BTC required to sell, that one needs some less ones. So BTC, the one after that. So how many have we gone over? We've gone over by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I think that will be fine. And then USDC required to buy BTC. That's over by a lot. 13. Basically this last one is a bit too big. Like, really, it doesn't need to be as many. Okay, so theoretically we could just use that. I can be a little bit more specific in a second. Okay, that's quite cool. So yeah, that really works. I think I could try get away with an extra one of these. Yeah? Add 2 more onto this one. Add 1 more onto this one. Add 3 more onto this one. 2 more there. Everything else can kind of just get an extra one except the last one. Trying to get these all aligned. So pretty boring tweaking work until you get it right. This is like writing CSS, guys. This is literally what it's like to write CSS. The pain full of trial and error. Okay, we've gone too far. The top one's still fine. The bottom one is just not fine enough. I mean, that's not fine. That might not be fine. One's definitely not fine. Let's do the tweak here and see if that's good. So I'll show you on the main screen in a second, just to show that it actually lines up. Okay, there's just one that's too bad. ETH balance. ETH balance, the one right before ETH balance. That one needs to be one less. ETH required to sell can do with one more. It's the problem is this isn't monospaced, so it's hard to really tell, like, you know, how many icons you need and stuff. Because that makes me feel a bit better that it's actually all fitting up together and stuff. Yeah, that's cool. USDC available, definitely can do with one extra one of these after it. So yeah, I'll show you the screen in a sec now, because this is pretty cool how this works. I don't know what it looks like on a phone. It probably looks atrocious. Let me just see. I'll hop onto Twitch and look at my lazy crypto trader self. There we go. So we're gonna say status. Yeah, I don't know. The chat replay is not working. I'm still live, right? Yeah. Am I not still live? What's going on? I think we're good. Yep. What? Can't spell my stuff right. Crypto trader. There we go. I am live. Okay. Sorry, I need to send the status again. This is cool. This is super cool. Quite happy about this. Theoretically, I can chuck the same amount of little things here afterwards. Because they are pretty much like a thing. Okay. So now for restart the bot. Print status one more time. See if this works on my phone. Sorry, I gotta print it now. Okay, it looks pretty terrible on the phone, but that's okay. I've checked on my Mac, and on a laptop it looks solid, like it's all in one line, which is really cool. So that's the thing. Unfortunately, you can't work too much on that. I should actually do some research and see if we can look at Twitch chat bots and see like what the actual, you know, character limits and stuff is. Maybe there's some tools out there. If there aren't any tools, we could maybe build some. I don't know. But wait a second. Why does it print like an extra? Those last lines are the ones that go overboard. I think it's because, yeah, your text can only be so much. And those things, those dashes. I don't know. I'll see if for every double dash, can I make a dash space? Let's see if that does anything. Dash space. See if that makes a difference. Because that would be a little bit easier on the eyes, you know. Maybe it will be worse than the eyes, who freaking knows. What did I break? Nah, come on, what's wrong? Crap. Yeah, I gotta get rid of it like that way. But yeah, I do want to try this quickly. See if this works. See how that goes. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Oh, it's fine. Okay, the trading bot's live. Yeah, it's a little bit nicer. I need to make some tweaks. Anyway, there's a double space. Yeah, that's fine. So available BTC. After that, needs an extra dash. Required to sell BTC. Oh, we don't actually know about that one yet. It's all on the line there. It's all on the line. Yeah, it definitely looks a lot nicer. Okay, now it's just ETH balance. After ETH balance, we need ETH balance, that one. We need one more. Then we should be good. Hopefully. I don't freaking know. That works. Let's see if we can chuck 4 more at the end here. See if that makes a difference, or if that pops on a new line again. We're learning about like Twitch chat layouts here, so it's interesting. Okay, let's try that. That didn't work because I need to start the bot again. Always forget that part. It's a very important part, but I always forget that part. Okay. Oh, I don't know why it shows like that at the end. It just gives up. It's like, nope, too many lines, we're out. We'll make a new message, basically. It's fine, it's fine. But that's great. Messy, but it works. What do I think about this now? I'm gonna make a bunch of things called logs. That thing over there, that massive rendering log, I'm gonna call this log status. Because it's quite big, you know? So we're gonna make export a function called log status. We'll take channel. Take some other things. I'll take balance. And I'll take available. That's cool. We can get that. We can get that. We can get BTC ask. We can get ETH ask. That's a lot of variable passing, but like... yeah, it is what it is. Because the problem is... the void. Yeah, check some things. So this channel, string or undefined. I don't even know, hey? I just gotta post the whole thing like this. So I don't even need the BTC ask and ETH ask anymore. available balance and prices. These are amounts. I guess at the end I'll put channel. Actually, I don't need to put channel in like that. Channel doesn't have to be a thing, because channel we can import directly from client. Why am I being so stupid? Okay, this is gonna be amounts. This will also be amounts. This will be prices. Because this is like a massive thing that we're not going to tweak that much, and when we tweak it, it's going to be tweaked in the concept, the concept of what it is now. So I think we're good. And it's funny, like theoretically, can't find name prices. There you go. I think theoretically we could export this and just say, you know, get prices, get stuff, instead of passing it around as like values. And that might be worth considering. You know, it should just return the private available, private balances, private prices, and that way our class is way more like reusable. So might be worth doing that. But yeah, for now, yeah, this get status is just going to be log status. Yeah. Feels dirty, but fine. This dot balance. This dot prices. To do, consider consider making getters for these private values. Because we already have context, you know, we can just say, hey, get status. And if anything, that means we wouldn't need this anymore. We could just say, make this like its own little function outside of the class. It doesn't have to be in the class. I don't know. For now, it's okay. For now, it's okay. But yeah, it is confusing. So, yeah. What was I going to say? I don't even know. What else do we need to do? Okay, so the required command, I wanted to do that. I think we still have time to do that. Is Shanks is not on. Shanks is not streaming today, is he? Good problem. I guess we have some time. But yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about that status command now that everything's on the same... Wait, what? Oh, no, when we call status, it doesn't all fit. Oh, that's a problem. I think these don't do. Sorry, I need to try some things out now. I don't know why I thought that was working all fine when the last time I tested it, it doesn't work at all. That is unfortunate. Oh, Shanks is on. Then I'll do my required thing later because that's kind of easier work to do. So just fix this and then we'll go raid Shanks, guys. Okay, that status works. That works perfectly. Okay, we're happy with that. Get add, get commit, implemented status check. Fantastic. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go raid Shanks. Thank you so much for watching. It's been cool hanging out here, and I appreciate the lurks. You guys have really helped me out quite a lot. I definitely need to do this more often. It's quite a lot of fun. Anyways, I will chat to you guys soon. Have fun, and yeah, cheers. Bye.